The missed celebrations, the unyielding belief that one day
could end up being unbalanced.
Because of our athletes who continue to choose Jamaica. Whether it is sprinting down a track, dropping beats on a rhythm, or flexing on a geographic stage, Jamaica commands attention. Let's remember, the world is watching, and they want more of what Jamaica has: authenticity, energy, excellence, and strong leadership. So to all our junior and novice athletes, continue to dream global.
As indicated, we would have had various levels of success last year, bringing together our 4 events as a season. We have continued that mandate, and the season starts with the Novice and Junior Championship. And like most things, we want our theme to be roots. We are now having a feeding system of persons moving towards the nationals, moving towards the Jamaica Invitational.
We added a new program, which was big model, and it's going to be
Why did you decide to have an event a category that has a gown, someone wearing a gown?
Well, because of the international body, they added that new category, so you have to also follow the rules. So we're looking forward to it. I think Jamaicans are going to make it fast, because the girls are going to be wearing gown, and they're also going to wear one swimsuit.